You nice to Piggy? Be nice. Listen to her. Can you make the sounds like a piggy? That's really good. What about you, Bobby? You sound like a little piggy. Oh, is the car going for a ride? A piggyback ride?
Oh no. No. The piggy's fluffy up.
Uh-huh.
It's a good music.
Do you love the piggy?
It's a car.
It's a car.
Coco will go with Piggy.
Coco's going on the piggy too. Aww. Where's the piggy's nose? Where's the piggy's nose?
There's a piggy nose.
Where's the piggy's eye? Where's the piggy's eye? Oh. Oh wow, guys. I don't know if she wants to carry your car. Okay. Shh. Settle down. Okay, no more cars on Piggy. Okay? Bobby. All done. Okay. Say okay, Mama.
Okay.